Morning guys! Ang aga namin, hindi pa open yung buffet. Nandito na lang kami sa isa sa mga cafe sa hotel. May helicopter ride kasi kami ngayon and kailangan namin maaga. So, Dan got the breakfast croissant and yung akin ham and cheese croissant, pero it doesn't look like ham and cheese croissant guys. Iba yung in-expect ko. And then we got our coffee. Okay, kain guys!
No. Two or three.
Three. Is that it?
That's it.
Do I have to press play? No?
I do play.
I got money. That's it. I'm done. You want me to go again?
Go again, yeah.
Play again?
Go again.
Panalo na naman ako guys. $25.12. We put in $10. So panalo ako. Cash out na rin siya guys. Dito kami sa, wow, yung lips ko guys. Lumalaban yung aking lips. Ito yung ano, what do you call that? Ano nga ulit to? Alright, cool. Thank you. Thanks. Wait, ano nga ulit yung sinasabi ko? Yung sa lips ko ba? Yung Black Rouge 02 na shade. And iniba ko din yung contacts ko guys. At saka ginamit ko din yung mascara na binili ko kahapon. I actually really like the mascara. Tingnan nyo. Hindi siya ganun ka-volumizing pero it adds length sa lashes. Gagawin namin guys yung helicopter ride. Yung view is yung Grand Canyon and first time ko mag-helicopter. Is it your first time as well, Malaw?
It is my first time. I didn't lie. Obviously. I was gonna lie.
Dami-dami mong sinasabi, babe. Whoopsie! Char! May pa, jump ka pa ha. Tour bus pick up. So, lakad tayo dito sa sidewalk, guys. Hintayin natin. Tingnan nyo yung view. Ang ganda. Na hotel. Back. Hello. Rachel and Daniel.
You bring ID with you, right?
Yep. Dito na kami sa bus. Parang siyang van. Actually, hindi siya bus. Are you cool then?
Cool,
Cool din. Guys, ang puti ng mukha ko tingnan. Hindi naman ako nag-foundation. Nag-concealer lang ako. Dito lang oh. Puti niya tingnan. Ewan ko sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung ilang tao dito. Meron ng dalawa dito. Bali, 4 kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ilan. How much did you pay for this?
I don't know. $2.50
Each? US?
I don't know. Maybe.
You don't remember? Check-in kami guys and nag-upgrade kami sa front seat. $50 each. So kapag nag-check-in ka, iwi-weigh ka dito. Yan, weigh. Merong 10-minute na safety video guys na kailangan panoorin before the ride. Guys, nandito na kami sa departure. Charot. Doon na kami nag-check-in. Tapos dito yung gate. And tinawag na kami kanina. 6 kami guys, I think. Tapos na-meet na namin yung pilot. Na-meet yung pilot. Kaya lang yung dalawa, hindi nila pinanood yung safety video. So, pinapanood muna nila. And hintayin namin sila. Tapos, yes, pasok na tayo guys. Actually, mainit ba eh? Pero yeah, exciting to exciting. Sa harap kami guys.
Hello, people.
Tapos na kami, guys. It was so good. Was it worth it?
It was cool. Yeah, I think it was.
It was really worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Yung sa front, worth it din siya. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ang ganda, guys.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. As in, pag nandun ka na, parang wow, ang ganda ng mundo. Char, ang ganda ng mundo.
Exactly right.
I said when you're already there, you're like, wow, the world is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is.
And small.
It is. And small, yeah. The Grand Canyon is really good. As in, sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa labas. Hinihintay namin si Pink Bus. Sabi ni Kuya, 15 to 20 minutes. Hi, Kuya. Taga Bohol siya.
Hi, Kuya.
Sabi niya, Pilipina. Sabi
Heaps
niya,
of Philippines in Vegas.
Filipinos, yeah.
Filipinos.
Yeah.
And Filipino, but yeah.
Yeah.
And Filipinos.
It was good. Definitely worth it. Kung nandito kayo, I highly recommend it.
Yeah. It's a good day trip in Vegas.
I know, yes. Yeah. And the weather is perfect as well. Nung nandun ka na sa taas, ano siya? Is that us? We got the pink one. It's buffet time. So yung ano namin kanina, yung helicopter, it took like mga 4 hours and 30 minutes. So now we're back sa hotel. Meron silang ano, part na sa package yung hatid sundo. So hinatid nila kami balik sa hotel and we're hungry. Hungry. Kain tayo, guys? What?
The flowers.
Yeah, ang ganda ng flowers, guys. Okay, kain tayo, babe. Let's go. Ang sarap tingnan ng chicken, guys. Oh, thigh. That's mine. That is mine, my love. Is that too big? I'll get the smaller one. Oh, that's big as well. Yep. Sorry. Asan yung rice? Yung rice talaga yung nahanap ko, babe. Where's the rice? No, I don't want sausage. Ito yung akin, guys. So, yung chicken na nakita nyo kanina. And then, I got kung pao chicken, stir-fry vegetables, maple bacon, and pineapple rice. Wala silang plain rice. What did you get, my love?
Cheese and macaroni, sausages, Italian sausage, salmon, sirloin, turkey, rice, and
Kung pao chicken.
kung pao.
Yeah. I got the same one. And nag-order kami ng Dr. Pepper pero walang Dr. Pepper. Sabi niya, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinabi niya. Basta same lang daw. And then got juice and the same drink.
It's the same as Dr. Pepper.
Is it the same? Exactly the same? Do you remember what he said? What that one is?
No.
No? Basta mga Mr. I think he said Mr. something. Second plate ni Dan, guys. Do you remember what these are?
That's a mango one.
Oh, I'll try that, okay?
That's got banana in it, like a banana cheesecake one.
That looks cool.
Oh, it looks cute.
It does look cute.
I think that's like a little cheesecake.
Yep.
This is like a sticky pudding, banana sticky pudding.
Okay.
Cream brulee.
Okay. I'll try these two.
I think so.
Thank you. Third plate of the day. Second. What? Prosciutto, some fruits, cheese, and s'mores. And that pudding. Kinain ko to guys. Ano siya, parang meron siyang mango sa taas, tapos para siyang ang tawag dun, binignit ba? Hindi ko alam ang Tagalog nun. Bilo-bilo sa ilalim. Tapos yung creme brulee masarap din. Hala babe, careful. Oh, imukuan. Yamars. Ganda ng Christmas tree guys. Ang laki pa. Ito sa labas ng buffet. Ganda. Ganda ng theme. White at saka gold. Guys, panalo na naman ako guys. $40. Pero yung nilagay namin $20. So really, panalo ako ng $20. So ikakash out namin to. And then balik sa kwarto. Nag-stop lang naman kami sandali. Tapos sabi ko, sige babe, lagay tayo 20. Hala, sugarula, bayan na. Dito kami sa hotel. Chill muna kami. And then labas na naman kami mamaya. We just got our Lakers ticket! Nood kami guys ng laro ng Lakers sa LA. Hey! Kailangan talaga, hindi siya pwede online guys. Kailangan talaga, meron ka ng physical na ticket. So, we had to have them ship it dito sa hotel na to. Kasi kapag pinaship namin siya sa Australia, wala na, hindi naaabot. Wala na kami dun. So, yeah, pinaship pa namin dito. And ngayon lang nila, sinandito sa room. So, today we will go to a couple shops and then do the other side of the strip. Kasi diba yesterday we did this side, so today we'll do this side. And last night we actually did like pretty much all the hotels that we want to visit on this side, didn't we? Yeah. So natapos namin siya last night guys, which is good. Yung mukha ko talaga, bakit ang puti-puti tignan? Grabe siya. Tapos ang leeg ko. Siguro ganyan lang ako magsalita. Ikaw din, babe. Puti-puti din ang mukha mo. Your face looks really white, my love.
I am white.
You are white, that's right.
Will you marry me, my love?
No.
No?
Just kidding.
No.
Right there, oh, nice view.
Alright, babe. Let's go shopping.
Hotel hopping na naman kami on this side of the strip. So, kagabi dun kami nga na side. Dun. Sa kaside ng hotel namin. Ngayon dito naman. And Dan wants to have Shake Shack tonight. And that's gonna be at the end of the strip na. So lakad-lakad muna kami. And yeah, we'll update you guys later, alligator. Guys, nandito kami sa Bellagio. Bellagio, ang cool! Pakita ko sa inyo. pa kami nagkita.
Yes!
Her daughter is so pretty. Daughter mo, diba?
Yeah, she just turned 3. Kaya kami nandito.
To celebrate the birthday.
Yes.
Charm. Did you gamble?
I did. I lost $10. I'm so cheap.
That was for the side. We're only gambling a little bit as well.
Yeah, just a little.
Guys, dito kami sa fountain. Ito yung isa sa pinakasikat na dancing fountain. Dancing fountain, ayun sabi ko. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna be easy to film kasi ang laki nito, guys. I'll show you a little bit, pero i-enjoy ko yung fountain, guys, kasi paminsan-minsan lang ito. Ignorante talaga to si Rhaze. So, dyan ipapakita yung fountain, guys, pero it's like from there to there. So, hindi siya makukuha ng camera. Pero look at the view. Eiffel Tower. So, nandun kami sa side na yun kagabi. Mas maganda ang view dito. So, it runs every 15 minutes?
Yeah. Pretty cool, isn't it, babe?
Dito na kami sa last hotel na gustong i-check ni Dan. New York, New York. Dito kami sa ano, guys, Shake Shack. Hindi ganun ka-busy yun dito. Dan will get a burger. I'll get the Shaka-Go dog. Hot dog tayo, guys.
Are you eating fries or no fries? You don't like the fries, do you?
Ito yung pagkain natin, guys. Parang hindi ko gusto yung hotdog, Yung itsura pa lang, parang iba, guys. Vegetable siya. Sana nag-burger na lang ako. Okay lang yan. Meron akong Fanta dito at saka si Dan nag-order ng chocolate milkshake. Okay, kain, guys. Guys, kakarating na namin ang hotel. Natalo kami, guys. Huwag niyo kaming gayahin. Gamble pa more. Natalo kami. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga panalo ko, diba? Ginamble namin lahat ng panalo namin. Natalo na. Walang nanalo dito sa Vegas. Ang bilis na wala nung luck. Pagod na yung mata ko sa contacts eye. Hirap kasi kapag hindi naman nakakontakt, hindi naman makakita. Siguro mag-eyeglass ako bukas. Pagod na yung mata ko. Wala din kasing tigil. Uy, kanina umaga hanggang gabi. I got this pala kahapon, Mario Badescu na drying lotion. I'm not sure kung makakatulong siya. Pero nilalagay ko siya sa buhok ko, guys. Nag-start ako kahapon. Ang sarap ganun ng mata ko. Yun na yung vlog. Salamat, guys, for watching. Please like kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye. Good night.